I would like to say, how you feel about the future with your relationship?
Hold on there. Pause for a second. Rifle love. You, me rate you. Whoever you are, rifle love, me respect you. This question deep on my mind, I want to ask you. And here it comes, so I'm ask it. No. Rifle love. Have you guys thought of getting married?
Yeah, no, no,
Facts,
let me
Of
ask,
course,
what is the future?
Bali. I want to get
facts.
married at Bali or Dubai. Trust me, what are them
We have been doing our
cities?
research, and guess what? When we're getting married, it's gonna be live. So I mean,
And
everybody will get a piece side.
not only that, I think that I might like probably not know, but sometime like as it pertains to our wedding, I might do a wish list.
It's supported in 3/4 of Asia
Send my
and
invitation.
whole
I'm
of Africa.
here. Send my invitation. I
Don't
will
worry
see you.
yourself,
Friend,
man.
mate, your company live, you look like a friend, yeah,
I
look
want
like.
listen. I think I might do two. I think I might get married twice.
If you win, they want to be
I,
there. If you copy them.
I think I might get married twice. One outside of the country, like that's the official wedding. I feel like all who couldn't make it, all our friends who couldn't make it, all that. Let's keep some on the beach.
I think
In
It's
Jamaica,
supported.
yeah.
basically in Muslim countries, it is acceptable. Polygamy is acceptable in most Muslim countries
It's
and
it's
Arabic
Most
countries.
Muslim
it's
countries.
supported. It's supported
Well,
in
that's
3/4 of Asia,
Mm-hmm.
and it's supported in all of Africa.
Yeah.
I mean, we have
So
at the end of the day, from listen, we went into a relationship with this man. We technically give him a soul, and don't flatter yourself.
trust me.
We
Soul is
gave
the
we gave him our
understatement.
soul. I mean, him know when we're miserable, we're sad, we're happy. Like him, he's a part of us now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So we not him can't go, we can't go nowhere. So I mean, we're stuck together. I mean, we have bad times, we have good times. So we not see ourselves with another man naturally.
Jamaica doesn't, or Asha.
Give me a time frame for the relationship. A lot of questions coming in. Give me a time frame so we
All right,
can grasp
all
that
right.
one. How long have you girls been together? And then
She answered that already. She said like a year before they met Will.
All right, so
Year and a
a
half.
year and a half. So we were with Will for about 6 months, and me and her have been together for 2 years.
And me half a year. Those are 6 months. It's only a half a year.
so you guys
But
you
it
guys
feels
been
like forever,
a
right?
couple for half a year. For 6 months
Yes,
now. So basically
yes.
you and Kay are going on 3 years now then.
2
2
years.
years.
Okay. Trying to count
Yeah,
the
man.
Okay.
But and the thing with our relationship is that we keep it fresh. We don't every day we wake up we feel like we meet yesterday.
Yeah, I
You know,
would
we don't
role play.
yeah, we don't let each other get tired of each other, you know, we communicate a lot.
Personality intact.
So if we have this thing, we don't go to our bed angry at each other.
Yeah, that's
So
not
So
ever try
if
that and get a big boot.
yeah, so if
Hold on, don't say
When I would try that and get a big boot.
don't say habit. It's actually a rule. So it doesn't matter what time or what hours of the night we kick off. We can't go sleep till we can at least resolve it to a point where we can at least cuddle.
But you know, we always try to drop asleep and get something.
You know, we
Will
always kill you.
and case a person like this, if me and Will have a disagreement, 3-4 o'clock in the morning we have to up and try to fix it before we can go sleep.
Yeah, oh, you want to sleep or
She
you
won't
sleep.
we're not gonna sleep. Like we don't believe in going to bed hungry with each other. You know, we communicate. Alright. When we met we'll never used to talk. You know, if more problem, you know, him sit down by himself and him thinking and made and you know,
Introvert, you know?
and then we hello huh?
no, I said
We
Aria
hello
is an introvert.
yeah, so we explain to him, say, listen, it's a three of us. It's not you and alone anymore. You can't think about yourself anymore. If you're feeling some type of way or if we do something that you don't like, talk to us about it. I will fix it. The same with you. If we have a problem with you, we're supposed to can come tell us you will, you know, whatever, we don't like that and you're supposed to fix it. We can't be selfish.
Hopefully this makes sense. I'm an introvert in a relation. In a relationship then. I've always been an introvert.
And that has changed
My
with us.
personality, overall, I'm not an introvert. I like to take lead and all of that. I like to speak up.
Okay.
But not in
But
relation.
hold on. This is something on Instagram which part will I talk about say. All I want to have to go get female doctor. Well, what kind of thought that you make?
listen.
What make you think they need female doctor?
Yeah, why? Why we need female doctor, baby? Why we need female doctor, baby?
Bad experiences.
Bad experience. Go and just
Not for me.
around the man
Not,
them
not,
look
for,
what
not for
the
me.
power you get
Not for me. Me have doctor friends, you know. Me have a friend with a doctor and me know what them do, you know. And me have tattoo artist with a friend and me know what them do, you know.
You're not
You go see
jealous,
your-
real jealous.
So,
You hold on. Where right now?
Me?
My
Nadia.
boss. Female man, my boss.
Epic.
yeah.
Alright.
Boss.
Your man go say she gonna get a tattoo. And when she come in, the day after the tattoo done. Alright, yeah, so you see it over.
Area.
Yeah, alright, that's so. Why first thing pop up in your mind as a man, be real.
As a man, my woman can't go get tattoo. I mean, no wait to go get before she go. First and foremost, if my woman will put on tattoo, if I buy a post front it a go, she have his pipe on that specific spot. I said, baby, I hear something I go put it. So me say, all right, James. When you say I do it tomorrow, never go there. We reach on it. Don't worry. When you're ready to get a tattoo, call me. I mean, man, never go on it. Because me not know which way no man have a tattoo. No, you know, my woman can't put a tattoo on my front still, but no, my front, I'm in there.
But at the end of the day, what want Mike? At the end of the day, we know so we not put no tattoo on the front.
No,
Like we not unless a female name out go there. I mean, unless a female name go there.
Alright, let me talk. I not call man name, you know. But me there on tattoo shop and the dog get a client. The dog that work on my tattoo on my chest. And the dog get a client and sexy female. It's a sexy female him get. You see me, she walk in when him start my tattoo and the man say, you know, say I finish her tattoo. I'm sit down outside and dog draw a curtain and you know what they were doing around there. And the man, you know, the woman, the girl that talk to her man on the phone. The man clap it.
But that's not us, Will.
Me know, me not say, no, me just say overall, me not just tattoo artist and that.
But baby, I am saying to you, that's not us. You are talking about you're not trust tattoo artists. I know we even just not a tattoo artists.
Me not trust tattoo
First and
artist
foremost,
and
hold
that.
on. First and foremost, ask with. You see, for me meet with. You see, anytime I talk, if the tattoo here, the one for my aunt, trust me, the tattoo man came to our domain. Some of the my tattoo, it's not a matter of saying some private, but you didn't my domain. You understand? Me can't bother come in your domain. Or you go in time night, come and catch me and people take away.
Listen, I'm saying when it comes to Will, I mean this is new to all of us because he has never slept with two women before. And the fact him sleep with we and then end up in a relationship with we. I mean, any man would have probably feel some form of jealousy. But we'll know say when it comes to we him not have a because we speak about everything. Whether in an argument or just naturally.
Why you insecure?
Wait, no. What would have pissed me off is if they not tell me say them gonna do it and it happen. And then things start playing on my head.
Will used to be insecure on me. You know why him start be insecure? Because him come on the road, him actually a few times me and him go on the road and him see him operate like but face because me see me and him walk out there, man up stuff on me. They wouldn't even know say me and him walk on me in front time my body pan man draw me back and believe you me and him nearly walk and me tell him straight so me in a cockroach and so you address me. I'm matter of fact you can't look me and up stuff for me. Me what? It doesn't work. So get bad like right there and then approach get shut down.
So I guess basically we figure it out as time goes by because it's new to all three of you guys then.
Yeah, it's new to all of us.
And that's why I bring in the rule again. Nobody goes to bed upset.
We're understanding each other individually, but also as a couple. So we take time to understand. I take time to understand Will and K, and they do it vice versa. So I mean it's all new to us. We're not gonna learn everything one time.
Hey Mike.
We're still understand what being a couple is like.
Okay.
We try to do almost everything together. We try to understand each other because I'm the water. I cool them down. I'm the one that cool things down. Care the fire. You know? So maybe you know what?
The Leo.
You're what?
Oh,
All right. No,
We good.
you guys get
Oh,
ready. We are going to basically
Steve.
start add people to the live. So now anybody
Steve.
who on the live who have any question for our guest,
No, man,
now is the time.
hold on. Me have a couple more questions than me you are.
Right. All
You know
right.
when me
All
off highlight?
right.
You know when me off highlight? You know when me off highlight? See a break on the chain at all. Actually, I question me come read up as a break the chain at all.
Here they.
That's why every time I keep telling you, say stop pay attention to comment.
You know me read them in my mind. I want to not read them out loud, me still read them in my mind. Well,
Father.
question now, brother. Question now. You have 2 women there with. You're with 2 women. So, I must get asked, why freakiest thing I ever do? Why freakiest thing I ever do? Them question the people ever ask. When we can ask that, or then we can ask that. Is that politically correct to answer the life?
Well, and we individually was the freakiest thing we've ever done are together as a couple.
Answer it always. Okay? Answer always you want answer
Alright, for me, it's being outside on the balcony. I will choke me while is massaging my tonsils. And people are seeing me. People are actually seeing me. Actually seeing me from a distance, but it look like them camera couldn't pick up. Cause I expect for see me on pink wall or something. Cause I know people are seeing me, I can hear the excitement, but I can't see them really.
All right. Let me just say
Both of us actually were doing
all right.
it.
Let me just say when it comes to Will isn't as open as us. Right? So we're just just take our time.
How about you, Sash? For me, it was the other day. Sash and him did it outside.
Anyway,
he go back.
All of this,
They're gonna second it. We don't have a real friend for the life. We don't have a real friend for the life. Music Martin.
Yes.
We don't have a real friend for the life. For the fans. Drop the link to the fans now. We know we can't say what we step on it, but we keep it at fans now. You see it?
Yeah.
Drop the links to the fans, let the people understand and code it up a little bit and set that something for me now. So the fans can support it. You understand me?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
People,
Well, all right.
people, the video have a repost for FB and they'll put it up on YouTube. Anyone want to see that video here, please share it. We want to get them fans thing out up on one level, where in which I'm going to jump on himself too, because they want to go on for the anyone to see that thing here, remember, over by FB, Father Epic World, and the page that come over there so we see it over there. Father Epic, it will help us as well. You understand me? I even like a new page on Father Epic on Instagram, please like it. Wow, give them on the fans account now.
Yeah, that me I talk about. Father, so I experienced some technical difficulties because
waiting for verification, yes.
So nobody really can subscribe at the moment.
Them move slow,
but them can
come back to it. The same,
because it's in order. So technically, a whole bunch of people was sending for them thing because they had verification problem as well. So it's like it can reset something. I don't know what it is. I was waiting for verification.
So guess what? They can have it in mind because trust me, it's gonna be epic over there. So you guys, as soon as it's up, we'll just send some broadcasts on the know for them.
Check out what you can.
I know people already subscribing.
Well,
them get murder, them can't watch you.
See, for now, we have our can go for our Snapchat. We're going to some what I call some teasers. You know, we just keep things that we see.
Twitter.
So we Snapchat is the Jamaican THR. So we can just audio pass. Now we're going to some preview. You know, so I don't know what I want to see. We're not keep no at the loop. So you can just add up on Snapchat and see what I go on our Twitter. You just link up on Twitter to Polygamous underscore J.
Come on, you found the status, you know.
You see you,
Eh?
Epic?
That's what
Epic?
I'm talking about.
Epic, you can jump over them, man. Trust me, you like where
Freaky,
I'm going.
freaky, innate.
Sash, the chat off, you never get a bar, you know.
Don't worry
That's what
yourself,
I
man.
said, you like, you're not Epic.
Now the butch people up get along, but boy, we got reason,
Listen, Epic, may we get along. I'm not keep friend. So my friend them here.
Makes
You
sense.
know what I say? So,
That me realize,
no, I'm gonna keep
you know,
friend.
tightly knit. But like that, me admire
Listen,
that.
I try we know what kind of friend we
company
want.
this, you know.
Real talk, man.
Trees a crowd. You ever hear him say trees a crowd? A crowd is in a bed, in a conversation, in the shower, kitchen.
But we'll make it work.
overcrowd.
But we'll make it work.
Watch Epic face.
You are trouble, you know. You are trouble. You know, me feel the pain. Me still glory, you know, but me feel the pain. No,
Why are you over there starring for
Brother.
Will?
Remember how the life
Perfect.
start, you know. Remember how the life start when you tell you say, you live most man fantasy. Me know you need a in and in. God.
Epic, you see? Everybody on the live can pick up your rate, you know. In a smarty you look, you know.
No, nobody with that. Nobody with that for every woman beat me. Nobody with that. Nobody with that. We don't know say a trouble should be. We don't see cussing for now. So what if you say?
Alright, like this perfect example. This morning, me and him argue back to back for no reason. Like we know what the problem, we acknowledge the problem, we just don't know how to fix it. And then Sasha's like, come we start a new chapter. I'm like, listen, we can't start a new chapter because I'm gonna finish right this one. I have to trace him and finish my chapter.
No, man, she not rest, man. She
I'm
not
gonna
rest.
rest. Cause guess what? We have to start it out. We're not going to sleep tonight. But I have to get cuddled by the two of them. Cause me in the, always in the middle.
Yeah, we
So,
cuddle. If we not sleep and cuddle, we can't
if them
sleep.
next, them don't like cuddle. We realize with that. So them have to agree. Cause we want cuddle.
That's how bad it is. We have to sleep and cuddle every night. We can't sleep and not cuddle.
True.
And we don't sleep away from each other.
And they I wonder when last 2 hours sleep now, bed.
2 hours, what?
When last 2 hours sleep now, bed.
We don't sleep
Yeah.
apart. It's all the three of us.
Yeah.
Literally.
You know?
Yeah.
Where the strangest place you three had sex?
Epic. Jesus Christ. You're doing in a
Strangest
different
place.
life.
Well, let me ask.
Strangest place.
Let me ask. Let me
Listen,
ask.
if we talk, if we say the government might send for your morning,
I real talk.
True.
I love that
so we're not
family,
gonna
man.
say it. Trust.
True.
Second.
If we say the government
strangest
might send
place.
for your money.
Second strangest place then. This is the first one now.
Epic, you know, say you're perfect.
You ask the question then. The interview me I do. No,
Oh.
an interview me I do again. No, an interview me I do, man. Yeah, and a reason. Go on and answer, Sasha.
I mean,
Make we
listen.
read.
I mean, we're random, you know, like if we decide to want to have sex on the roadside, that's how we're gonna do it.
Literally.
We're random people.
If me decide say will I drive, I'ma feel like in pants for just look sexy while I'm drive. We're pulling over on the highway and we're coming out and I don't care who driving by, I don't care who see me. I am doing something.
That's just us.
In the car at I'm not set up in the car out the door with breeze there, with natural breeze there, with Father God make me for there, out the door me want this. I don't
Please
care
up
who
your
see
palm,
me.
We don't like the bed business most time. We don't like it. Like
Better for sleep.
we don't like
Straight.
it. So we'll find everywhere else to
That's
do
why your bed
things.
mash. That's why people bed mash up because it never make for sex. It make for sleeping too. You have everywhere else for have sex. All the TV make
And
for sex more than
and
the
the
bed.
hurricane will create the bed can't hold it.
The TV make for sex more than all the bed. Believe me.
The hurricane that will create the bed cannot hold us.
Yeah?
Don't squeeze my head, sir.
So like you need fame of the
Because-
about the
listen.
hurricane there. And natural
You see,
disaster.
yeah, man, it's a natural disaster. Especially when he get that.
And all of
Epic a scratch. But I'm saying to you, you see like how Will and them we know and you know them about him spliff and
Yeah,
you know
in farm pan will you know long will I take up.
Read the pin, comment, and be mindful. Please and thank you. Steady. Continue the conversation.
facts. Alright, so
Especially when we're tipsy.
it's when we'll drink and him beat all two Magnum and them thing there. I'm sorry for our throat.
I'm sorry for my body.
No, we're
because
sorry
Stream
for
know me
throat.
flexible. Him love bend me up. I mean, I like it because sometimes
Because we'll
prick.
not respect our throat when him drinking Magnum and them thing there. Literally.
Hey, me love
Him not
suspense. Me
him
love
no respect
suspense.
he punishes us when him drinking Magnum and them thing there. And it turns we on more. We like them look thing there, you know, them look tingling, them thing them go tingle. You know?
Sure.
And he likes when the both of us go down on it at once. Yeah,
I call it the wishing stick.
yeah,
Jesus
that's when I
Christ.
told it on it one time.
I love to go down there and make a wish. And my wish is
Jesus!
always.
Yo! You know what's like trouble?
Yeah, dog.
But you
Facts.
candle is like candle on a cake. You gotta blow it out. Only thing you can just and blow the one. You have to like really blow it for it to out. You get what I'm saying?
Jesus Christ!
But I want to say one thing to everybody out there who see we and assume our relationship is based on sex.
No, it's not.
It is definitely not.
Guys, we
We- we- we-
YouTube channel. We're not gonna
we
see
are-
how crazy the fuck we are. We're not gonna write in a script. We're not practice the what to say. Me,
We're
naturally,
being natural.
genuinely psycho, unbalanced mentally, just a little bit of this in one place or in one corner. Ask me.
What I'm saying, our relationship is we don't show what we want to show,
Yeah,
but
and
it's not based on sex. It's
at this
it's
time,
deeper than
we're
that,
young.
way deeper than that.
On
We're
the
young. We like to explore.
I don't know,
You know,
in
we love
the
to explore.
explore phase of our life. So on the young, on explore. On no have chicken or child, no nobody for answer. So therefore, no just have fun with it as it goes.
Yeah, that's how we do. Do that again. Flexibility, very flexible. But I'm saying, yeah, we just want to get that out there. But we're very spontaneous. I must say when we think up and running, we're not gonna see what go on because we have some stuff doing now.
When you
So
think
you
up
don't know.
and running, you have to come back for our life, come make we know what go on.
No worries, man.
Definitely,
You know, he's one to
By
that,
the time
man.
we're not gonna. Boy, they can see you over the circle. You don't see though.
I'm foot me a shake.
Yeah,
Oh, but you
clap.
better join them and move together.
Why you why not with
Yeah, there's something that what go in the background, but it's a move on.
I should don't even realize.
What them say?
Stop.
It a shake down the
Clap.
Them so like some like yo, you can't do nothing in peace with them two, yo.
Underestimate a butch looking female. You will be surprised.
All right.
Like, listen,
Yeah, the
listen.
shortness of my relationship was smart.
No, you are,
My
miss.
door short, my vertically challenged in height. So when it comes to young Will, she's the shortest one in the
No, you are.
relationship, but short has cut down big tree. Trust me, she's an undertaker. From the roots.
No, well,
She not chop on like
you get all of your questions them and your curiosity out the way. We can start add people to the life now.
Yeah, we can start and then now. And then we think of some more and then I'm talking. Yeah,
I
we
need to.
uplift yourself. One way or the other. You understand me? We don't come
Facts.
to come disrespect nobody or belittle nobody. To me, they took a great step in doing this. Because not a lot of people would be that open-minded or that open with their lifestyle. You understand me? All my people are the better and worse than them. And not talk about the better and not talk about the worse. You understand me? All the crazy things are going on. So for them think minute in comparison to the rest of the world. You see, priest, so I'm not going to bash the people though, because I don't see nothing wrong with them more than
Listen,
This is
listen,
us just being truthful to ourselves.
listen. It's we, our skin pass ag skin, so let them bring it. Our skin, but I have nothing to say. When ag skin, I have nothing power. We're skin tough.
So,
Let them come.
It's basically live your life being truthful to yourself and happy than you lie to yourself and your
The way
effing
all me see it, everybody in Jamaica right now will live polygamy, I don't know. Because no one man have no one woman. And just because you don't know, but at least we'll and everybody know what going on for them lives. So the people there.
Exactly.
steady.
Hello, what's up?
Hi.
Introduce yourself. Who are we speaking to?
Ooh, we can't hear
I'm not
baby.
hearing you. We're not hearing you.
We're not hearing you. Something wrong with your phone.
Later.
I want Bluetooth, but I'm take it off now. When I hear me
Alright, right
You
here
right?
now.
Yeah, we
now,
are
right?
hearing
Yeah,
now.
man, right here now.
So now may I say, I love the Throuple. I love everything when I go on with. I've been following you guys for a little while now.
Oh,
I am also a part of the LBGT community, even though I'm not really, cause yeah, I'm sure one of my team. Smile. Where you hide, Fabio?
big up
Hello.
yourself,
Alright, she
big up
don't know
Big
what
up
yourself,
go on
yourself,
big up
anyway.
yourself.
baby.
Yeah, them say big up. Yeah, so my question is now, how do you guys manage the hate or wanna pay attention to it or what? Because me know we live in a Jamaica where we don't know how the society is already. So how to manage the hate
Alright,
really?
here's the thing, love. You see, the moment you start to like react to the hate or read it and stuff like that, you're giving it way to get to you. You're giving it way to get in and sink there, and you're starting negative like them. First and foremost, ignore. I'm very good at that. I'm very good at ignoring. Me read something, I'm do like I don't even see it. You're
Mm-hmm.
neither here nor there to me because guess what? You're not in my immediate circle. I don't know you, so there's no way I can take offense to
Yeah,
something that me just glimpse. You understand? But if you're coming at me like you
yeah.
deliberately, some persons are meant to be attacked. Like them a come to you, so best you go for them. Some of them deserve it. But for some of them don't even deserve a time off. Some of them just want some attention. They're not getting it, so they want it from you.
Once the hate get to you, then there's no. This is real. There's no
Make it
doubt. So
1
the
second.
hate
Make it
can't get
1
to you.
second. Make it 1 second and make me a question. The live will go down in 9 seconds.